Guys, we need to talk about AI. AI wouldn't lie to us. It's super smart and it's here to help us and improve our lives. Well, let me share something with you that I think you will find pretty freaking shocking. Now, as you may have noticed, YouTube is absolutely littered with new AI videos about motorcycles and all other kinds of topics, and they claim in their titles and thumbnails to share shocking truths and detailed breakdowns about bikes. I decided to check some out and see what they were all about, and oh my freaking god, what the f***? After seeing what I saw, I decided to fact check some of these videos because I was just seeing so much crazy stuff. Shit got so weird, I just had to share it with you guys. So, how freaking bad could these videos actually be? Let's check YouTube for some informative videos. Real helpful reviews from riders who've actually seen a motorcycle in real life. So let's say you're looking for a review of the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom VT750. It's a real actual bike that Honda makes. So let's take a look at this first video here. It says, new 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom finally unveiled. Full details, first look. All right, let's take a look. Whoa, what the f is that? All right, guys, the first image here, it's not even a Honda Shadow. It's something else with this weird pipe going off the side, foot pegs that look like micro dildos, a bike that says Honda on the tank, but however, that's not a real Honda. We're looking at the left side of the bike, which has pipes. On your Honda Shadow Phantom, the pipes come out the right side of the bike. So does this have 4 exhaust pipes? Are 2 of them fake? Who knows, man? Another picture of a black bike here, not a Honda. Guys, enough of that video. That was basically just repetitive AI images and telling me nothing interesting. There wasn't even a real bike in the entire video of 8 minutes and 40 something seconds. Let's try another video. 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom, the best cruiser of the year. Opening image, not a real bike. Guys, here's a sample of the copy. It's a timeless cruiser with a modern edge. Honda Phantom is true to its bobber-inspired roots. What the f are you talking about? Minimalist design and blacked out finish when you're showing a red bike. Honda refined the look of styling with aggressive stance. You know what's happening here? They're saying a lot of nothing. That doesn't tell me about the bike. If I was blind,
nice doggy,
and they were telling me this, I would have no idea what they were talking about at all. They're not talking about the displacement, the performance, the seat height, the wheelbase, the brake system, the handling, the cockpit. Nothing important that an actual review should cover. This isn't a review. This is like, the sky is so skyy today. Okay guys, now we're moving on to the third video. I'm really hoping I find something good here. Third video is called 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is officially launched. Ugh. Now here's a problem. It says braking system is stopping power you can trust.
With the Shadow Phantom. The 2025 version comes equipped with a 290-inch wheel rear drum brake and a 180-in rear drum brake.
What? What the f? Okay, that's just straight up wrong. Just so you know, I'm not blowing smoke up your ass. Here's a picture of a real live Honda Shadow Phantom. Now, if you look at the rear wheel of this bike, it's got a disc brake. It does not look like 290 inches of disc brake either. And that's a front disc brake too. If I'm a new rider looking for a bike and I'm trying to watch a review on this bike, I'm seeing all these images. I'm like, they're not even the same AI images. So which one is the actual Honda Shadow? None of them. There's not a single image of a real Honda Shadow in this whole video. Furthermore, they tell you incorrect information about the bike.
There's jerks out here lying and writing. I don't tolerate lying from anyone.
That's just made up. That's absolutely frustrating. I'm watching another video here. This is called 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom Review, the ultimate cruiser experience. I need a drink after this. I'm 11 seconds in, and this is a completely bondoed frame with a red LED light somehow mounted in the middle of the rubber tire, like right here. The taillight license plate says Honda, and there's a random LED, like, is it glued to the tire? Is it nailed to the tire? I don't even know. This is already a disaster. All right, guys, let's try one more here, okay? It's 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom Review, the ultimate cruiser of the year. Okay, guys, I feel excited. I'm looking for Honda Shadow Phantom reviews. I open it up, and it says, carburetor. That's what's on the gas tank. No, again, the engine looks like it's melting. This is not a review video. I'm just gonna jog through another bike that's fake, doesn't exist, not a real bike, not a real bike, not a real bike. It's one green bike that's supposed to be the same bike, I think, but it keeps changing form. In one, it has 2 exhausts, in one, it has 1. Again, absolute trash. No value here at all. Here's a video called New Honda Shadow Phantom 2025 finally launched. And there's a good 30, maybe 40 seconds in this whole video of what looks like a Ducati being rolled out of the back of a truck. It's not even a cruiser. It just looks terrible. That's what you're getting in the video. It says that's a new Honda Shadow Phantom. There was a glimmer of hope for me. However, it was quickly smashed to bits. We're at 8 minutes and 36 seconds of this video, and there's actually an image of a Honda Shadow. It's a VT 600. It's not even a Phantom. So they're close. I mean, it is a Shadow, but not a Phantom. I got another one here. I'm gonna try a YouTube short. This is a 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom, the bobber beast you need to see. This is a short one. It's only a few seconds, so let's see what it's got. Nope. Garbage, absolute AI generated image. The front wheel looks like an egg. Exhaust on the left and right side again. Oh, there we go. Wonderful. Absolute garbage, guys. Not a single image of a real bike the entire video. Nothing. These videos say so much without saying anything at all. And what's even worse, I was actually trying to find real reviews with human beings riding the bike, you know, using their actual eyes and butts and hands to review the thing. But all I could find was this AI generated garbage, just pages of it. You know how bad it got? I left YouTube. I went to Facebook. That's how desperate I was for real motorcycle content. It's like being so hungry that you eat gas station sushi. Jokes aside, guys, let's talk about why this actually matters. Before I get to that, if you're enjoying this video, we work so freaking hard to make good content for you guys. It's a super little thing. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Helps the channel out a lot and lets us know we're doing the right stuff for you guys. Let's get back into it. All this AI trash, it's not just annoying, it's actually harmful. First of all, these videos are fully misinforming riders. You're new, you don't know what's what, you think you're seeing a real bike with real specs? Nope. You're getting AI hallucinations with made up frickin' features. Oh wow, a new Honda with a V8 engine and flux capacitor. Sign me the Except none of this real. They slap on these clickbaity titles, but the bike is never even shown. It's just random photo slideshow narrated by a voiceover that sounds like it was recorded inside of a microwave by some neurotic butler. And the worst part, this AI junk pushes the actual high quality content further down the algorithm. I'm talking about the stuff made by real riders who have actually seen, ridden, and reviewed a motorcycle. These AI videos are absolutely nothing but hollow voids of time. They give nothing back to the internet community. No entertainment, no information, just clickbait dog barf designed to keep you watching but leave you dumb and dumber. YouTube, they're in on it. Their goal is to keep you on the platform, but when they promote this trash, they make it so frustrating that you actually leave, just like I did, to Facebook. Let that sink in. But you know what? There's actually more going on here than just some crappy AI videos. This is actually part of a bigger problem, and we need to talk about it. These are supposed to be informative reviews about actual real-life motorcycles, like this. It's a real bike. I understand the motivation behind somebody making videos to generate income, and that's cool. But if all you're doing is dumping absolutely useless AI-generated drivel, how does that help anyone? I know YouTube's #1 goal is to keep people on the platform, but when you're dropping like these videos, they will deplatform people. These are coming from content farms, I'm almost positive, but YouTube is devaluing the brand and the site is watering down the experience for the viewers. They're making it so damn hard to find meaningful, entertaining, quality content. And I get it that some channels are purely entertainment and don't really enrich anyone's life, except with laughter. And those are fantastic. But these videos are hollow voids of time and space. They're plastic, giving nothing back to the organic content creators who work tirelessly to bring the best quality content they can. On the other hand, there is a lot of organic creators that make terrible content, but at least they're putting in effort. Let's break this thing down, okay? So #1, how is this harming riders? I think it's fully misinforming people. You think you're seeing images of a new bike, you're not. You're not even getting any real facts about the bike. That's deceiving the viewers and is straight up fake news and misleading buyers. And if you believe any of these bikes are real, you're either 3 years old or severely visually impaired. #2, these videos are driving clicks and views way away from valuable content, which means it's hiding super value videos. Because you have to wade through the trash. They're actually suppressing real information that's trustworthy through sheer clutter and volume. It's finding the needle in a haystack. I believe this is really reducing the quality experience that YouTube wants for its viewers. #3, it's just straight up lies. The titles are completely misleading, claiming finally unveiled, but the video never even shows a real bike. The facts are being stated by the voiceover are completely wrong. They're stating incorrect displacement, brakes, exhaust frame, every other feature is like they pulled it out of their ass. I don't know, maybe I'm just freaking old, you know, the gray in my beard is showing, and this is the hot new stuff that people want on YouTube. I don't know. If you guys like this, I want to hear in the comments. So let me know, are you down with this new AI trend of videos that give you nothing, or is it absolutely crap? Now, if you guys are interested in seeing real motorcycles, actual people doing real things and real videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to get our brand new patented rubber nipples, head on over to tjbrutalcustoms.com and cover your bike in the finest nipples this side of the West Indies.